You say you love me for me. It's hard to believe.
All right, welcome. I am back. I am better. I was super sick. I had you feel me? And it was just horrible. So I apologize for the delay in doing a video where you can physically see me, but I was trying to put out content with the Black history of fashion stylists and just stay consistent with a couple shorts. But if you are new here, welcome. My name is Amber Ashli. I'm an independent published fashion stylist originally from New York. I reside in Connecticut. And if you are not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for your support, your likes, your comments, and sharing my videos. I have a lot of new content all the way, so I'm super excited about that. So by the title of this video, I am going to be unboxing HANIFA. This is my very first purchase from them. If you would like to check out their website, check the description box below. This is a Black-owned, female-owned brand, and she has been doing her thing, so definitely support. All right, let's just jump right in. So here's the box I got in the mail. This is a first time opening for me. I bought this a while ago, actually, before I went to Vegas, and I was going to wear the footwear in here. So opening the box, you get packing receipt, packing slip, I should say. And then the first item is this green corset. So let me take it out. It's the Aniya Corset. Oh, this feels so nice. Ooh. Wow. All right, so I'm a large. I'm 5'9" for reference, and this would go obviously on the top. And this material is beautiful. Ooh. It's mesh. It has the boning in there, and it is sheer, so you would either wear pasties, or if you a girl, you know, it is what it is, have them showing, okay? And then she has her tag in the back, so as you can see, I am a large. But this is so cute. I wanted to try something different with a corset. I don't have one that's strapless, is that the word? Yeah, I have a red one that goes around the neck. I haven't worn that yet, but I don't have one that's actually strapless. So this is so cute. I wanted to try this out, and I've been really loving green, forest green, lime green, all the shades of green. I really been feeling it. If you check out my last short, I did green. So this is the corset. And again, check the description box below. Everything will be listed there, so you can make your own purchase as well. All right, and then the second item I got is shoes. Gotta get some shoes. Oh, it matches what I'm wearing today too. So I'm gonna unbox these right now. I am a size 11. Shout out to all the tall girls who wear size 10 and size 9 and up. And it has pink lining, tissue paper. It has the dust bag, so when you travel or if you just want to keep them in here. So these are the shoes. Let me take the other one out as well. It was in the bag. So these are the shoes, and these feel very heavy. Not very heavy. They're little. They feel very like supported. Like whatever this is made of, this feels very, you know, designed very well. The quality is there. As you can see, it has that bubble. This is hard. This isn't like soft. And then it has the foam here. This is probably about so the trick is, this is an inch on your finger. So this is 3 inches. And then real quick, I can show you, this is about a 3-inch heel, basically. Or a little, maybe 3.5 inch heel. So not too tall. I love this color, this fuchsia color, to have more vibrant colors in the wardrobe. I have a bunch of different just color schemes, so I love these. And these are the shoes. And then on the bottom, 41 in European is 11 in the US. And you can see that here, and then it has her logo, and this is tan. I love these little dust bags. You know, one thing about me is I like to wear dust bags as like a bag, okay? Like, listen, okay? I just like to utilize the things that I buy more than one way. I think that is being smart with your purchase and just, you know, optimizing one item as best you can in multiple ways. There's nothing wrong with like putting stuff in here. It doesn't have to just stay in the box. And her logo's on here in white. I've done that before with like my Ferragamo dust bag. I've done that with Cool Cat brand. I've just done that with a lot of dust bags. I'll wear them as bags or I'll use them for other things, and it's super helpful. So, you know, that's a tip. If you want to use your dust bag as a bag, go ahead. Support Black brands, support independent designers, and you know, hopefully you liked what I showcased. So thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment below. Be sure to share this video. And that's going to be my first of many purchases with HANIFA. Again, I love supporting Black owned brands. I'm a stylist that supports Black owned brands. So if you are a Black designer looking for more outreach, definitely contact me. My email. I am starting a new Instagram, and I will have all that information below. Thank you so much. All right. Peace.